Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I have a Cambridge University examination to solve. The problem is actually an exponential equation. We have x minus 2, all in bracket, raised to power 3x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 in bracket, raised to power 3x minus 4. We are required to find the values of x. Take note that I said the values of x. That means that x has more than one solution. Many people find this problem very difficult to solve, but they forget that this is an exponential equation, and so they should apply the properties or some properties of indices. What properties are we going to apply? This video will show us a step-by-step approach to this problem. But before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, or if you are new to this channel. I would also like you to leave a comment in the comment section. It is important to note that sharing is love, and love doesn't cost a thing. Therefore, share this video to your loved ones. Now, enough of the commercial. Let us now solve the problem. I was saying earlier that we need to apply some properties in indices. The first property we are going to apply is this: a raised to power b minus c is equal to a raised to power b divided by a raised to power c. Now, in this first case, it becomes x minus 2 raised to power 3x divided by x minus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to, we'll do the same thing here, that is x minus 2 raised to power 3x all over x minus 2 raised to power 4. Now, we have this term and this term being equal and existing at opposite ends of the equals to sign. All we need to do is to cancel them out. So we are left with 1 over x minus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 1 over x minus 2 raised to power 4. So we can now cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this and this will multiply to give us x minus 2 raised to power 4 is equal to this and this will give us x minus 2 raised to power 2. Let us bring this term to this side. If we do that, we have x minus 2 raised to power 4 minus x minus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 0. We have basically a quadratic equation. But let us factorize x minus 2 raised to power 2 out here. That becomes x minus 2 raised to power 2 in bracket x minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 1, then equals to 0. We can now equate this term to 0, that is x minus 2 raised to power 2 equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 2 again equals to 0. So x is equal to 2 twice. There's a first set of solutions to this equation. Now the next set of solutions can be solved by equating these brackets to 0. That becomes x minus 2 all raised to power 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can turn this into difference of two squares. If I have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2, it is the same thing as a minus b, then a plus b. So I will apply this difference of two squared here, where 1 squared is also 1. So that becomes x minus 2, then minus 1, then times x minus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Minus 2 minus 1 is 3, so x minus 3 in brackets, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and x minus 1 in bracket equals to 0. So equating each of the bracket to 0, we have x minus 3 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. And so x equals to 3, or x equals to 1. Let's recall that the solutions to the equation that we've solved so far is x equals to 1, which is this, then x equals to 2 twice, and x equals to 3. We are now going to substitute 1, 2, and 3 respectively in the original equation. So when x equals to 1, then we have 1 minus 2 raised to power 3 times 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 raised to power 3 times 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 2 we get 1 equals to, here this is minus 1, that is 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 again, this is 4 please. 3 times 1 again is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This can be written as 1 over minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 is equal to minus 1 because 1 over minus 1 is still minus 1. So x equals to 1 is a solution. Now when x equals to 2, we have 2 minus 2, substituting 2 for x in this original equation. We have 2 minus 2, close brackets, then 3 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 raised to power 3 times 2 minus 4. 2 minus 2 is 0, so we have 0 raised to power, whatever number here is still 0. The same thing here, we have 0. Therefore, x equals to 2 is a solution. Then lastly, we can substitute x equals to 3. That becomes 3 minus 2, all raised to power 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 equals to 3 minus 2 again. Then 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here is 1 raised to power 7 and here is 1 raised to power 5. 1 is equal to 1. That means that x equals to 3 is also a solution. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.